Hi guys, welcome to another video of interior design with Ray. Okay, so today I'm going to show you one of the project that I'm going to commence soon. Okay, it's at Bukit Batok, and it's a 5-room. Okay, so the space is quite huge, and the design is also quite minimalist and spacious. Okay, so I'll run through with you right now. Okay, so this is the main entrance, right? And as you can see, it's a huge living and dining. Okay, so it's very rectangular. So it's very easy to lay out such a plan. Okay, because there's no odd corners and stuff like that. What you're seeing now are all the built-in carpentry works, which they are going to be removed. Okay, flooring wise is a vinyl floor. Okay, but this vinyl floor looks a bit dirty because when I say dirty means if you look at the pattern, it has got this wood grain with the eye, and if you see carefully, every piece of the plank has the eye or many eyes on it, so it looks a bit dirty from afar. Okay, so all this is going to be removed. There's a bar counter here which is going to be removed as well, so the dining, right, will be aligned with this wall. At this moment, if I stand here facing this wall, the false ceiling is not aligned. So this false ceiling will be shifted to the center of this wall and then becomes a feature wall for the dining. Over at that wall will be a place where my client is going to place her piano. Okay, so I'm going to create an entrance foyer, okay, for privacy reason, and also a shoe cabinet and some display. Okay, so it's going to be somewhere here and continues like that. Okay, so it segregates the entrance foyer from the living. So at the living, right, the TV will be here. It's going to be a huge TV wall feature, right? It's going to be wallpaper, okay, with some stone textured wallpaper. Okay, so it continues to the divider here. Sofa will be here. Okay, there won't be any coffee table to make the space more spacious. So at the entrance of the kitchen, the left wall and the right wall will be demolished. Okay, so that there's going to be a 2-panel sliding door. So they are going to slide left and slide right. Okay, and once you enter the kitchen, okay, the flooring all will be hacked away. The existing kitchen cabinet will also be removed. Okay, this layout is kind of fixed, right? Because the kitchen is not very huge. Okay, so I think the only location is over here. Okay, but I'm going to link this kitchen cabinet with the design outside here, because existingly there's this DB cabinet which is going to be concealed. Okay, all this will be concealed inside the feature wall. So this sliding door will slide into this pocket behind the feature wall. Okay, so one interesting design that I propose to my client is to create a curved wall, okay, to segregate the communal area and the private area. So the private area consists of the 3 bedrooms. Okay, actually this is going to be converted into a study, master bedroom, and then daughter's bedroom. Okay, so I'm going to create this curved wall here. Okay, it's going to be wallpaper as well. The other reason of creating this curved wall is because I find that the place, yes, although it's very huge, very spacious, but it looks a bit more squarish. Okay, so I wanted to create some curve in the design itself. Okay, so it's going to create this curved feature wall. So there's going to be 2 window opening and 1 entrance to the passageway. Okay, so I think that creates some segregation and some privacy between the communal area and the sleeping area. So this existing wall will be pushed back, okay, to make the entrance to the master bedroom wider. Because since this is just a study, so study you don't need such a huge space, you can push this wall back, okay, to create more walking space. And also part of the reason is because the wardrobe is going to be on this wall. So wardrobe being 600 depth, right? If the wardrobe stretches from here 600, then there won't be any more entrance to the master bedroom. So this entrance will be over here. That's why this wall has to be shifted back in. Okay, so once this wall is being hacked, right, I'm going to create an entrance to the study, and then this part here will be all fluted glass or ripped glass. Reason to have glass is because it creates some privacy. At the same time, it allows light to pass through to the passageway. Okay, if not, this passageway is going to be very dark. Okay, so at the common bathroom, nothing will be left. Okay, meaning the floor and wall tiles will be hacked away. If you buy a resale flat, right, if you want to check whether the wall tiles have been overlaid or the floor have been overlaid, right, it's very easy. For wall, it's more obvious because you can see this thickness here. Okay, so this is the existing door frame. Usually the existing tiles will be almost flush with this door frame, but right now you can see there's a thickness here. Okay, so confirm this is overlaid, right? Over at this side here, you can see also, right, there's a thickness here. So all these are overlaid. So once you hack these overlay tiles, right, it's going to affect the original wall tiles. Okay, so once you do any hacking, remember to replace all the concealed piping inside the wall. Okay, so there won't be any leakage in future, right? Because once you hack all the concealed piping, right, if there's any somewhere here, right, it's going to be damaged. I'm going to erect one wall here. Okay, so this wall kind of hides the shower. Okay, so the shower screen or the shower entrance will be from this side here. Okay, there's going to be a fixed glass, and then one shower entrance, and then the solid partition wall. Okay, so I can shorten this vanity a little bit. Okay, so having this partition wall, I can create a niche, right, to put in hand wash, hand shampoo. Okay, then at the back can be a niche for shampoo. So both sides you can have the shampoo niche. Okay, let's go to the master bedroom. Okay, so master bedroom, you can see that there's this very odd recessed wall here. Okay, at the window side. Okay, if you don't use this space, then you are limited by the wall space from here all the way here. So it's okay to use up this space, right, by customizing a headboard, okay, all the way, and overlapping this recess area, okay, all the way. So your side table can push all the way here to create some walking space. Okay, then you can have a huge king size bed, right, from somewhere here, another side table, then your wardrobe. They actually make use of all the wall space, right, from one end to one end, so you don't waste any space here. Okay, so this bathroom entrance is going to be shifted more to the left because right now the vanity is here. Okay, and the wall to the frame, right, there's no space for a vanity cabinet. So I'm going to build a wall here, and then I create a space for the vanity cabinet being placed like that. Okay, so you have a longer vanity cabinet, right, more space, more storage, rather than a cabinet like that. And I'm going to build a wall here and create a sliding door behind this wall. So instead of the usual shower screen door with a swing door, right, I'm going to create a fixed wall with a sliding glass door behind. Okay, so I hope you have learned something today. So today is just the introduction, right, of the design intents. Okay, so once the work has been done, right, I'll show you more videos along the way. Okay, so stay tuned and continue to watch my other videos. Okay, so I'll update you when there's more progress.